Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most popular and reliable lettuce varieties for home gardeners, Black Seeded Simpson Lettuce. It's fast growing, crisp, and perfect for fresh salads. Did you know that the Black Seeded Simpson lettuce was first introduced in 1850 and has remained one of the most popular leaf lettuce varieties for over 170 years? It's known for its rapid growth, meaning you can start harvesting tender leaves in as little as 3 weeks after planting. Lettuce has been cultivated for thousands of years, with records tracing back to ancient Egypt. The Black Seeded Simpson variety was developed in the mid-19th century and quickly became a favorite among farmers and home gardeners due to its early maturity, heat tolerance, and crisp texture. Unlike head lettuces that require longer growing times, Black Seeded Simpson is a loose-leaf lettuce, making it perfect for continuous harvesting in small-space gardens. Its ability to resist bolting better than many other lettuces has made it a staple in gardens for generations. This variety is easily recognizable by its light green, crinkled leaves that form a loose, upright rosette rather than a compact head. The leaves are delicate, slightly ruffled, and have a crisp yet tender texture, ideal for fresh eating. Despite its name, the plant itself is vibrant green, but the seeds are black, which is how it got its name. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor, making it a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. One of the reasons gardeners love Black Seeded Simpson lettuce is that it's incredibly easy to grow. It prefers full sun but can tolerate partial shade, especially in warm climates. Thrives in well-draining, rich soil with plenty of organic matter. Requires consistent moisture. Keep the soil evenly moist but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. It's a cool season crop, best grown in spring and fall. It can tolerate heat better than some lettuces, but prefers temperatures between 45 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. A balanced organic fertilizer or compost will promote lush growth. Avoid excessive nitrogen, which can lead to too much leafy growth with less flavor. This variety grows quickly, so for a continuous harvest, plant seeds every 2 weeks throughout the season. Black Seeded Simpson lettuce is a great companion plant in the garden because it grows fast and doesn't compete heavily for nutrients. It pairs well with carrots and radishes, onions and garlic, strawberries, and herbs like chives and dill. Because lettuce has shallow roots, it also does well in container gardens and raised beds. Black Seeded Simpson lettuce is known for its delicate texture and mild, slightly sweet flavor, making it a fantastic addition to fresh dishes, salads, wraps, sandwiches, garnishes, juicing, and smoothie. Because it's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants, it's a nutritious addition to any diet. And that's everything you need to know about Black Seeded Simpson lettuce. Whether you're growing it for its fast growth, crisp texture, or delicious flavor, it's an excellent choice for any home garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.